Welcome back to Aesthetic Bots. I'm Ashley, a digital artist that turns creativity into passive income. Today we're going to be taking a look at another Canva app. And without further ado, let's jump into it. As always, we're going to start with a clean page. I think mine is the size of a Instagram post. So it's the 1080 by 1080 pixels. Just something generic, just to give you a feel for what I'm going to be doing. Okay. So we're going to head on over here to apps. We're going to go to the avatar generator. This is not like the last one. Thank God. This one, as I said before, is a little generic. So with this, I like to do, can you spot the difference? Templates, and we're going to generate a random avatar. Okay. So we're going to start off with this avatar right here. We're going to keep it really simple and just do 2 images. So I'm going to put this one like this. I'm going to copy this over just so I know how much room I have. I'm going to make this one a tad bit smaller. This one smaller. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so this is our base. And then we're going to just come down here and change the preferences. So this one, we're going to do maybe some eyes that smile. We're going to do some round glasses, some thick hair, and maybe let's change his shirt to a hoodie and add that to the design. And just like that, we have a new look. So I'm going to put this up here. I'm going to put this one up here. Okay. And then I probably do one more. So I will actually move this down. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do one more. And what we're going to do is we're going to change his hair back to the original look. I'm going to give him back, I think he has circle eyes. Okay, give him back circle eyes to where it's just the glasses that's different and the shirt that's different. Oh, let's change the background. All right. And we're going to just size this to be appropriate size. Okay, and here is our original. And these are the 2 that the kids can spot the difference on. So this one is the glasses, his hair, the nose is the same, the ears are the same, but the shirt is different, background is the same. And here is the glasses, the background, and the shirt. You get the point. From here, I would normally go up to a text. We're going to actually go to Cool Text Maker. I actually like Cool Text Maker. And I passed one that's really cool. I'm going to do a video on this soon. Let's just find something that's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one. And what we're going to do is type in here, can you spot? Add that because you only can do 16 characters. And we're going to do the difference, question mark. Add that. And this T looks a little small, so what I'm going to do is make it just a little bit bigger. Okay. Can you spot the difference? So just that quick, we were able to create a whole page for a teacher to use or a homeschooler with their kids. Okay, so we're going to take this just a step further. I'm actually going to copy all of these just to show you something else that you can do. Okay, we're going to remove the background. So we're going to take that out of the way. And we're going to go ahead on over to our elements. And let's just say maybe it's a park behind them. Park background. I think that's too much. Okay. This is just to add just a little bit more to the image. And then you would do the layer, send to the back. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this. And we're going to go layer again, send to the back. I'm going to move this up. I'm sorry, not my image. Ooh, it won't let me click on it. Okay, so he has to move out the way for a minute. I'm actually going to move this down here. It's quite too big. I want them the same. Okay, he's going to come back here. And we're going to send this behind. Okay, so with that being said, let me just do like this. Just crop them just a little bit. Okay. I like to take this a little step further, and what we're going to do, because I like to add a little bit more into mine, we're going to change the background. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my filters, and maybe this one, oh, that's maybe too much. Okay. All right. So now we have created another, can you spot the difference? We're going to copy this again and paste down here. But now we have our own customizable background. Now you can definitely keep the background the same and just have the images be the difference, but just to show you that you are able to take that background away and add in your own elements is key. Of course, you can create different colors on your cards. I'm probably doing too much right now, but I just want you to know that you have so much flexibility. Again, this is just one way to start making money. It's easy. It's pretty much free. I am unsure if you're able to get this app in the Canva free version, because I do have the pro version. But if you do have it and you want to start selling it, you can sell it on Zazzle or maybe Etsy shop. It is a way to get started with no money. Go ahead and print these out. Make them, print them, sell them for maybe $1. Make 10 pages, whatever it is. But there's ways to make money online, and I'm just trying my best to spread as much creativity and ideas that you can use in your everyday life. So if you like videos like this, please, please, please don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with more.